Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show how to mark a notification as unread on the Facebook app using your PC. If you've ever opened a notification by mistake or just want to come back to it later, this feature is really useful. Let's jump straight in. First, open the Facebook app or go to Facebook on your PC browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on your homepage, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see the notifications icon, which looks like a bell. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a list of all your recent notifications. Now, scroll through the list and find the notification that you want to mark as unread. Take your time here, especially if you have a lot of notifications. When you found the one you need, hover your mouse over that notification. You should see a small options icon appear next to it, usually represented by 3 dots. Click on those 3 dots, and a small menu will pop up. From the options shown, click on Mark as Unread. As soon as you do that, the notification will be highlighted again, just like a new one. This makes it easy to come back to it later without forgetting. And that's it. You've successfully marked a notification as unread on Facebook using your PC. This is a simple but powerful feature, especially if you manage a lot of messages or updates and don't want to miss anything important. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more tips and tutorials to get the most out of your social media apps.